Well, I bought this switch to put in my shed because sometimes the lights get left on in here and they could be on for a week without me knowing because the door's closed and whatnot. But I thought a nice timer light like this would be a good idea because you could just turn the timer and do your work in the shed, and then you know, it'll just automatically turn itself off. And it worked really good for, I want to say 2 or 3 weeks, but now it's, you probably can't hear it on video, but it's not even ticking. It just stops at a certain point and then the lights stay on. If I turn it and re-engage it, well, normally it'll start ticking again. Oh, there it goes. Can you hear that in the video? You may or may not be able to hear it. It's ticking now, but it just stops. It doesn't work anymore. And I haven't had it for very long, like I said, about 3 weeks. Yeah, that's all I gotta say about it, really.
So my husband installed this and we absolutely love it. It's perfect. It's exactly what we needed, and it goes all the way around to 60 minutes and then it clicks itself off. So you turn it past 10 to get it started, and the light kicked on in my shower. And then it'll count down, or you can just manually turn it off. And the light turned off. And you can still hear it clicking, but it will shut itself off. It's great. It works amazing, has no issues.
Not even working. That's how I turn it off.